Greater Geneva Bern Area, or GGBa, is the investment promotion agency for Western Switzerland, bringing together the cantons of Bern, Fribourg, Vaud, Neuchâtel and Geneva. Our mission is to support foreign companies, helping them establish quickly and grow in our vibrant region. So, why Switzerland? It's a top performer in competitiveness, talent, and innovation, consistently ranking high in global indexes. And with immediate access to major European markets, Western Switzerland is perfect for international trade. But that's not all. Our region is home to leading R&D centers and thriving industry clusters, nurturing progress and entrepreneurial spirit. Plus, our renowned universities and practice-oriented training programs provide a skilled workforce tailored to your needs. And let's talk about infrastructure. Switzerland offers top-notch reliability and stability for businesses. Combine that with favorable investment policies and simplified procedures, and you've got an environment primed for growth. Life here is pretty great too. Enjoy an idyllic setting, rich cultural diversity, and excellent healthcare, making Western Switzerland a fantastic place to live and work. But it's not just about living well, it's about working well too. Western Switzerland is a leader in life sciences, precision mechanics, IT, advanced manufacturing, food tech, clean tech, and finance. Our region thrives on innovation and a rich industrial heritage. At GGBa, our international network of representatives simplifies establishing your business in Western Switzerland, offering expert advice, connecting you with key partners, and providing comprehensive support from administrative procedures to real estate and employee relocation, all confidentially and free of charge.